Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're playing some Animal Jam and I'm playing with Happy Frog 224, and so we're in her den right now and we're going to play some games. I'm gonna ask her, do you want to play a game? Do you want to play a game? Want to play a game? Okay, so we're gonna go play a game. I'm going to pick my favorite game. Okay, I'm gonna ask her, you pick. Oh, yeah, she picks. She already picked. She read my mind. Oh. Okay, I'll pick this one. This one. Which one is she picking? What? I didn't get it. Oh, we went one. Okay. Next round. Okay, so that one. That one. It's the middle one. It's in the middle one. I know it. I know it's the middle one. I know it's the middle one. She's just picking which one now. So we're just gonna wait for her to pick. Yeah! We keep picking the same one. I don't know if she... I think I'm not gonna get this one. That one was really fast. Which one is she gonna pick? Is it gonna be that one or that one? Oh, I don't know which one she's gonna pick. We keep picking the same one! You've entered gems. I said gems. I meant gems. I didn't mean that. I'll ask her, do you have any So, do you have any sea animals? Because so we can go to the sea area. Yes, okay. Meet me at the sea ship. We have the sea ship. That just sounds weird. I don't know. I'm gonna go. Okay. See ye there. See that. I'm gonna go there now. I want to go here. Okay, so we need to have a look-see for her. I look like a noob. I'm a noob. Where is she? Oh, there she is. There she is. Hey. Hey. Ayo. Look. Right. I look like a noob, you guys. I look like a noob. I look like a noob. She looks so cool and cool like you. She's super cute. I love her outfit. Oh, she's changing her character. Okay, so I want to go in here. I'm like, why is it working? Oh my god. So ooh, why is this members? That is so cool. What is this? This shop is cool. I think I want to go somewhere else. I'm gonna go back to shore. Dang, that place is like food. That's what there is. I'm gonna say. Where is she? Let's go back to shore. Come this way. I want to go back to shore. Oh, where is the shore? Yeah, in here. In here. Ooh, we're going back to the shore. Oh, I don't want to watch your video. Sorry. She's probably meeting me at the beach. She's like, where is she? I don't want to go actually to the beach and meet her. There is a lot of people here. Where could she be? I'm going to wait at the door. Because she might be coming. I don't know where she is. Should we just go to her house and meet her there? Or like, should we actually wait? I think we're going to go back to her house. Where is she? I don't see her anywhere. I think I want to go some shopping. I don't know where she is. Oh, yeah, she is. There she is. Okay. Hi. We say hi a lot. So, if you want to go check out my sister's YouTube channel, Crazy Kitty Plays, she plays Roblox. And she might be doing some Minecraft videos with me in it. So, yeah, don't forget to go subscribe to her. And yeah. Okay. How do people trade? How do people trade? How do people trade? Oh, yeah. Yeah. It started a while ago. Okay, stop. Look at that girl. I'm gonna ask her, where do you want to go next? Where do you want to go next? Look at my little hamster. He's like a little watermelon, and I'm like a watermelon cut in half. Where you want to go? I don't know. That rhymes. Where you want to go? I don't know. What up here? I'm gonna ask you. Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets? Because we can go buy her one. I love her little character, it's so cute. How about a famous gems den? Okay. She has a pet. She might take it out. Equip the pet, equip the pet. I wonder which one she's gonna take out. Is she gonna take one out? So this is my pet. You can trade pets. That's not very good, is it? I'm gonna ask her one trade. I'm gonna ask her, do you want to trade? One trade. Because this unicorn would match really good with her outfit. She's like white and red, and this one is like white and red. Oh my god, that is so cute! That pet is super cute. It's cuter than mine. Okay, so let's trade with her. Okay, I want to trade, and I'm gonna add this. You could trade. I want to trade this. How do I accept the trades? How do I accept trade? I want to know how to do that. Do you know how to do that? Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. That's how it works. Okay. Let's go put this on. Wait, I can't wear it. Oh, I can't wear it. I can't wear it because I can't wear it because I'm not member. I can't wear it. I can't wear it. I'm just like, I can't wear it. You can keep home. You can keep home. I thought I was not a member. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so I'm pretty sure he's gonna send us a trade, and then yeah, we'll accept it, and then can. Oh, I need to go give her the cape. I need to add this. It's okay. It's okay. She keeps saying sorry. You don't have to say sorry. It's okay. I didn't know that either. I thought if you got something traded from a person and you weren't a member, you could wear it. Clearly not. We're just gonna buy some new stuff. Let's go. Let's go shopping. I love shopping. So much fun. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. This way.